What if the next army doesn't wear uniforms, doesn't carry weapons, and doesn't even look like an army? Thousands of creators, millions of posts, one system. And you would never know it's coordinated. In episode 1, we exposed fake verification. In episode 2, we revealed the hidden takeover of media. Now we're entering the next phase. AI armies, without soldiers. This doesn't look like traditional warfare. There are no troops. No tanks, no borders. Instead, there are individuals, powered by AI, amplified by systems. Each one looks independent, but together they operate like a force. And make no mistake, this system is already happening right now. In some regions, governments aren't just building media, they're building ecosystems. AI-supported creators, subsidized tools, financial incentives, thousands of one-person companies all producing content. This isn't just economic policy, it's distributed influence capacity. Now, take that system and scale it across the entire globe. Imagine this system at scale. Thousands become millions. Content floods platforms, narratives repeat, ideas spread. Perception shifts, not through force, but through volume. And here's the key, it doesn't look coordinated. That's what makes it effective. Now connect everything, fake verification, media influence, distributed creators. This isn't random activity, it's a system, a new kind of army. AI-enabled, economically supported, locally embedded, globally scalable, an army without soldiers. And here's why this matters. You don't need to control people if you can control what they see. Because influence at scale is more powerful than force. So what can you do? Recognize patterns, question amplification, not just content. And understand, in this new system, attention is the battlefield. If this opened your eyes, subscribe, because the next phase of this system is already being built.